No matter what you're interested in, I promise you that there's a ton of other people interested in that particular thing as well. And thanks to today's technology, you can connect with anyone in the world, regardless of their location. One of the best things about creating YouTube videos for a living is that they can be about anything you want. Whatever your interest or passion is, as long as you have an audience, you can make money from sharing it with people on the internet, using YouTube as the outlet. The keyword here is audience. In order to make good money on YouTube, you are going to have a following that views your videos, but I will teach you how to create an audience later in the course. Video games are a very common interest among millions of people on the internet. If you have ever been on YouTube for more than 5 minutes, I'm sure you've seen at least a few gaming videos in the recommended videos section. Gaming videos make up for a great percentage of all content on YouTube because there's a huge demand for it, and consequently, there's also a big supply. Top gaming YouTubers make millions of dollars a year making videos for their fans. It's really amazing to see people do what they love and get paid so much money for it. There are also people who just like filming things and sharing them with people. This brings me to the subject of vloggers. Vloggers create short films, usually anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes long, showcasing their day. They simply film what is going on in their day and put it out on their channel. It's kind of like blogging, but instead of typing, you're recording a video. It's sad, but most people these days don't like to read a lot. So odds are, if you want to blog for a living, it won't be easy. However, people enjoy watching entertaining videos. So if you can make a short video of your day entertaining, the odds are you are going to build up an audience and be able to turn the act of sharing your day into a steady income. Vloggers are a very interesting type of content creators because they essentially live for a living. How cool is that? And there are all types of vloggers, ranging from those that walk everywhere with a camera in their hand, recording themselves and their surroundings, to those that ride motorcycles with a GoPro camera on their helmet and comment on what's going on the road. The best vloggers, those with high quality content that's uploaded consistently, also make anywhere from a few $100,000 to $1 million a year. Whatever your interest is, there are YouTube channels related to it. Science, spooky stories, news, movies, graphic design, cars, bikes, planes, fun facts, really anything. Everyone does what they're interested in during the day, but not many people think about doing it for a living. But those that do, and do it well, are rewarded with a large income. Brainstorm and write down all the things you're interested in. It's going to come in handy later on in the course. Of course, just because you make videos on a common interest among many people doesn't guarantee a huge financial success. What's important is how big your audience is. You can be making gaming videos, but if they're not interesting, you will not make money from them. But once again, I'll teach you how to build a big following later on in the course.